This is Chef Jason Bush here with Boneyard, and we're rocking Summit Sundays here for football season. This week we got the Buffalo Bills coming up, and today we've got buffalo chicken tenders. What we got 3-stage breaded chicken tenders, seasoned flour, buttermilk, seasoned flour, and then our special buffalo sauce. Not to give too many secrets away, but one thing that I do to make our buffalo sauce unique is there's a little bit of Dijon mustard and roasted garlic puree in the buffalo sauce, which gives it a really nice tang and a really nice savory flavor. Pair with a Summit beer, we got $4 pints and $10 pitchers all day long. Super savory, crunchy, and chickeny good. Yeah, just use that one, man. I'm cool with that. Chickeny good, dude. Come on down and visit us for Summit Sundays, where we're playing the Bills. Hopefully we'll beat them this week, and come on down for some Summit beer and some buffalo chicken tenders. Oh no, I got put on the spot there. I didn't know what to say.